Good morning, guys. Today we are going to Kolaghat to the Sonar Bangla hotel. So yeah, let's go. So guys, we are all set for our trip and we'll be driving to Kolaghat, and our distance is 1 hour and 51 minutes, which is 76 kilometers.
This is how we run. It's how we fall. And what if we run? We get to choose. What if we fade? All we've got to lose. What if we run? What if we run?
This is the bridge over the Rupnaran river, and we'll be actually having our breakfast in the
Sheri Punjab.
yeah, we'll be having our breakfast in the Sheri Punjab hotel. Guys, we have just reached Sonar Bangla hotel. Now we'll be doing our check-in.
Wish that I had stayed. What if we get to choose? What if we fade? All we've got to lose. What if we run? What if we run? I wanna feel closer.
Guys, we have already spent one day in the Sonar Bangla hotel, and the hotel is really good. And also the room is really nice. From the room you can get a very good view of the outside, and also the river is visible from the room. In the hotel premises only they have food, and the quality is really good. Not only quality, the quantity is also a lot. And also they offer complimentary breakfast in the morning. There is also a swimming pool in the hotel where we took a bath yesterday. So the rooms out here are for 3,500 rupees per night, and I think that's quite good. It's not too much. So overall, yeah, I really recommend this hotel to everyone who wants to come to Kolaghat.